Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Wythall. And not only have we got a great range of new and used motorhomes, we've also got a well-stocked accessory shop. Let's have a look. We have a fantastic range of My Rider bikes and accessories, such as this 45-mile range electric bike. Or if you enjoy cooking outside your motorhome, we have a selection of Kadak barbecues. For motorhomes, we have accessories such as leveling up ramps, mirror guards, silver screens, but best of all, after a long day, we have a great selection of these reclining chairs. But don't take my word for it, why don't you come down to TMD Motorhomes yourself and take a look around.